Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video, and this is a continuation of my YouTube tutorial series where I'm going to show you YouTube Studio, but the first thing I want to show you is how to upload a video to YouTube. So you just hit that camera button, hit upload, and then select file, and then you just click the video you want and hit open. So now it's going to come to part of YouTube Studio here where you can put the title, your description. If you want to select, if you have a playlist you want this video to go into, you can select it here. As you can see right here, you can create a new playlist, title it, and then add this video to that playlist. And then down here you have all your tags for the video. And these two things are actually plugins that I have for YouTube. I will do those in another video because that's an entirely different subject. So that's how you upload a video, and then right here you can hit next. So let's say you want to add a video for people to see that you want to promote at the end of the video. You just go right here where it says add and end screen, hit add, and then you have different ways you can do this. You can import from latest video, so this one will have your latest video and a link to have people subscribe to your channel, and then you can do just one video, one subscribe. Here you can promote a playlist right here, and a video. So there's different ways you can do it. You can do two videos here. You can select whatever you want right here. So for the sake of this video, I'll just do one video, one subscribe. Right here it says best video for viewers. You can actually change that by double clicking on it, and you can do your most recent upload, or you can just choose a specific video you want to promote. So like this one right here, and then you can hit save, and towards the end of the video this will pop up where people can see another video that you want to promote. So that's how you do a video, and these are the different things that we already did the details, we did the video elements, and now YouTube is going to go through the rest of the process. So we're just gonna hit next, and then right here you can choose to keep it private, unlisted, or public. So I always keep it private until I'm absolutely ready to send it out to the public. But if you want your video to go up right away, you can just hit public right here, and then you can just the video will be uploaded. So I just want to go back real quick here. So once the video is done uploading, you can select a screenshot from the video. Usually they bring up 3. I recommend that you create your own thumbnails, and I use an app called Pixel Lab to do that. I might do another video on Pixel Lab, but I believe it's available for Apple as well. I have an Android phone, so I use it through Android. So if you do want to select a thumbnail, you just click on this button, and wherever you have your thumbnails ready, you can select the one on your computer that you want. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Alright, so now we're going to go all the way through, and we're now going to, I'm just going to go back to my channel here. So this is how you get to YouTube Studio from YouTube. You just click your profile picture here, and then you hit YouTube Studio. So this is just going to give you a bunch of information how your published videos are going. You got your subscribers here. You got all kinds of data here that you can look at. Right here where it says content, this is where all your videos are. If you want to get back to that page we were just on, you just click on this right here, and it's going to show you that right now it's working on the standard def and the HD quality right here. It's processing all the information in the video. And once these are done flashing like they are doing right now, that means your video's done. So if you need to make some more edits to your description and stuff right here, that's how you get to it. The next thing is analytics. Now this is going to show you how your videos are doing right now. Right now this is the view count for the last 48 hours. It just reset recently. It shows you how many views you're getting and all different kinds of stuff like that. You can go to your content. You can get more information on how your videos are doing, your audience. You can see where people are coming from. Right now I got people from United States mostly and Russia. So, and that can change from different times. How many percentage of people are watching your videos from your subscribers to your non-subscribers? Gives you all that information there. And then you can also do research to see which keywords are working right. So if I say in my niche, how to make money online. I can just do some research here, hit enter, and it can show you all the all the search terms and that are competitive right now. These all have high ratings, and as you go through each one of these, it goes from high to low. So these are all medium versions on how to do that. So you can actually do research on what are the best keywords right now for your niche. And when you click on them, you can see the different videos that are using these tags and these terms. So that's how you can do research. Right here is where you can access all your comments. I have it set right here for the ones I have not responded to. So if there are any comments that I haven't responded to, they'll be right here. I can hit the X button and I can just actually go through all of my comments here. And if I forgot to like any of the comments, I can go back here and go through all the comments here as well. And then there are some that sometimes YouTube holds for review that you can check to see if you want it in there and stuff like that. So, and then we got subtitles, so you can add subtitles to all your videos. Copyright, this is if you have any violations in your videos. You can see what's going on with each video. So if you have copyrighted material, you can make a request to have a video removed, and this is also an area where you can get strikes on your videos and you can dispute those as well. I'm not at the point yet where I have 1,000 subscribers, but this is where you can earn money. So once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can make money off of ads that your viewers are watching. So, and then here at customization, I went over this before in the other video, but I can show you again. So right here, you can add a video for all the people who haven't subscribed to your channel yet. You can do a quick video introducing yourself, telling people what your channel is all about. I took down the ones I had on my channel because I'm going to be updating my videos. So, and then you can also do a video features for returning subscribers. So, so you can add those by just hitting the add buttons, and then you got your branding. So you can add if you have a company logo, or if you want to brand yourself. I brand myself. That's why my YouTube channel is called Matthew Letendre. And then you can also add banners to your channel. And then here at the end, you can have a watermark where people can click on to subscribe to your channel. You can keep it at the end of the video. You can set a time in the video that you want that watermark to appear, or you can have it in for the entire video. So, and then let's see, basic information, the name of your channel. We now have handles at YouTube, so you can make this your link that you can give people to show your YouTube channel. It's now www.youtube.com/@MatthewLetendre. Here's a description or a text description of your channel. You can add, this is your actual URL for your channel. This is the standard web address for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the number and letters at the end of the URL. So, and then this is my custom one I made years ago. But since I now have this, I really don't need this one anymore. But in the future, if I want to edit this to have my full name, I can do that. So you can also add a business link. This is actually a link to my online business, Exitus Elite. I also have my Facebook here. You can add another link, another social media link if you want, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, PayPal, TikTok, if you do TikTok, stuff like that. And then you got your email address down here. So, next thing is audio library. Right, hold on one sec. Audio library, these are all non-copyrighted videos music that you can add to your videos. So you can download them, and then you can add them into your videos if you want music in your videos. Daily ideas, oh no, that's for another thing I have. And then if you go here in your settings, you got your channel. So basic information, you're a resident of the United States. You can add your tags here. These are tags for your channel. So these are all tags that will go out for your channel. So if you're into video games, you can put different video game tags in your videos. I do online marketing and online business, affiliate marketing and different stuff like that. So I have tags and motivational videos. So I do tags that are similar to which will go to my niche. So, and now here at the advanced, this is a new thing that YouTube started just to protect kids. So I have it set for no, this channel is not for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. If you do have a channel that is geared towards kids, you can select this one. Or if you want adult and kid friendly videos, you can select this one right here where it says, I want to review this setting for every video. So every time you upload a video, it'll ask you, is this for kids or is it not for kids? So that's a new thing there. And then channel default. Now this was the thing I was talking about earlier. If you don't want to keep adding your description every time you do a video, you can add your full description right here, and you can always make tweaks to that if you want, but you can add your description right here. Now, if your video is the same all the time, your title, then you can also add a working title in here if you want. And then you can set whatever you want it set for after it's done uploading. I automatically have it set for private, so that's the way I have it. And then you can pre-enter in all your tags you want for the video. So the next thing is permissions. What's this? Permissions for add or change permissions for this channel. For these, permissions won't apply to some channels. I'm not sure what this is all about. I have never done that, but so for community, you can actually add blocked words if you want. So if somebody makes a comment in your description, you can block that term or whatever. So there are different things that you can block from your videos that you don't want in there. If there are certain links that you don't want in your comments, you can click this right here, and for like block links right there. For default, these are how you're going to edit your comments. I allow all comments. If you want, you can actually hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. So you can choose that there, or hold all comments for review. So every time someone comments on your video, you can choose if you want that in there or not. Or you can disable comments altogether. So that's all that here. I'm not sure what this is all about. And then all your agreements are there. Now, I think there was something I want to see here. Oh, here under feature availability, you got your standard features. It shows you what's enabled on your channel so far. So if you want to see all your features that you have on your channel, you can look at that. Now, I think I went over everything. I may have missed some things, but that's pretty much your channel YouTube Studio, where you're gonna spend a lot of time in here looking to see how your videos are doing, how to edit your videos, and all kinds of stuff like that. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is YouTube Studio, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I also do motivational videos. This channel is all about not giving up on your dreams and goals, and never quit, and keep working hard towards whatever it is that you're going after, whether it's online business or something else that you're going after. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. If you want to see all the stuff I do, it's all in the description below. Please like the video and comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.